Hello everyone, I am Gurankit Pal Singh, member of COPS IIT BHU. In this video, I will discuss a problem on chord forces. This problem involves probability which will be solved using dynamic programming. The problem says that there are three kinds of species R rocks, S scissors and P papers. At some moments, any two random individuals meet with equal probability, and if they belong to different species, one of them kills the other. According to the rule that rock kills scissors, scissors kill paper, and paper kills rock. The input contains three integers r, s, and p, the initial number of rocks, scissors, and papers respectively, with the constraint that all three are less than equal to 100. We have to output three real numbers, the answer corresponding to rocks, scissors, and papers respectively, with precision of 9 digits. Please pause the video for a minute and try to think about the solution on your own. Moving to the solution, let capital R, S and P represent the initial number of rocks, scissors and papers respectively. Now let us assume that we are in a state in which we have R rocks, S scissors and P papers. Now as mentioned in the problem, the probability of meeting of any two individuals are equal. This means that there are R plus S plus P C two number of ways such that any two individuals meet. However, we have to consider only those cases where individuals of different species meet. Number of ways such that one of the rock and one of the scissor meets is R into S. Similarly, S into P for scissor and paper and R into P for rock and papers. And total number of effective ways is sum of these three values. Following the rule that rock kills scissor, scissors kill paper, and paper kills rock, so it means the probability of rock getting killed is number of ways such that paper and rock meet divided by total number of ways, which is equal to P into R by total ways. Similarly, probability for scissors getting killed R into S by total ways, and probability of paper getting killed is P into S by total. Now if we are in state RSP and if R gets killed, we get into state R minus 1 SP. Similarly, if S gets killed, we get into state R S minus 1 P. And if P gets killed, we get into state R S P minus 1. Now, if we carefully observe from this state, if S gets killed, we get into state R minus 1 S minus 1 P. And from this state, if R gets killed, we get into same state. From this, we can say that to get the answer for a particular state, we have to add the corresponding values from all the other states which lead to this state. Now, as we discussed earlier, if we are in state RSP, the probability of R getting killed is equal to R into P by total number of ways. Similarly, probability of S getting killed is equal to R into S by total. And probability of P getting killed is P into S by total. From this, We can say that probability of getting into state RSP into probability of R getting killed will contribute to the probability of state R minus 1 SP. Probability of getting into state RSP into probability of S getting killed contributes to the probability of state R, S minus 1 P. And similarly, we can make transition to the state when P gets killed. After this, we will vary R from 0 to capital R, S from 0 to capital S, and P from 0 to capital P, and store the answers for all states in a 3D DP array. Finally, answer for rocks will be summation of all states I, 0, 0, where I varies from 1 to capital R. Similarly, answer for scissors will be summation of all states 0, I, 0, where I varies from 1 to capital S. And similarly, we can calculate for paper. Now let us move to the coding part. Take input R, S and P. Probability of initial state will be 1. Then run 3 nested loops. Skip those cases when any two of the three values are becoming 0. Calculate total ways and store in a variable. If R is greater than 0, we will make transition for R. Similarly, we will make transitions for S and P. Now calculate final answer. Finally print answers up to 9 decimal places. So that's all for this problem. If you have any doubt, ask in comment section. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.